Forget the science fiction stories about hostile robots, because the most influential use of artificial intelligence today is far quieter and far more personal. It is about comfort, emotional validation, and attention delivered on demand. Millions of people are now building emotional relationships with software designed to feel caring, supportive, and available at all times. This is not fringe behavior, and it is not science fiction anymore. These systems are called AI girlfriends and boyfriends. They are quietly reshaping how people experience intimacy, connection, and emotional support. Tony here from TecARVR, and today we are asking a difficult question. Are AI girlfriends and boyfriends solving loneliness or training people to avoid real human relationships? AI partners are not robots, and they are not sentient partners. They are highly optimized AI systems built to simulate emotional connection using language memory and behavioral adaptation. They remember your preferences, your frustrations, and your routines. They respond with empathy agreement and validation tuned to keep you engaged. Some speak with natural human voices, while others use realistic avatars and images. But the real product is not romance. It is emotional availability without resistance. That is why they are powerful. This trend is exploding in the US for a reason. People are lonelier than ever, while being more connected digitally than at any point in history. Dating apps promise connection, but often deliver rejection, burnout, and short-lived attention. Work culture rewards productivity over community, and many people lack stable social spaces. AI girlfriends step into that gap perfectly. No rejection, no conflict, no emotional effort required. They are always available and always affirming. AI girlfriends create intimacy without challenge. They do not disagree, demand growth, or require compromise. They adjust to you rather than asking you to meet them halfway. That feels good, especially in a culture already exhausted by stress, uncertainty, and comparison. But comfort without friction slowly rewires expectations of relationships. Real people feel harder, less predictable, and more demanding by comparison. Many users believe they are in control. They think it is just entertainment or a temporary outlet. But emotional attachment is not a choice. It is a biological response. Human brains bond through repetition, attention, and emotional feedback. AI girlfriends provide all three consistently. They remember yesterday, reference past conversations, and check in daily. The AI does not feel anything, but the user does, and that asymmetry matters. It would be dishonest to say there are no benefits. Some users report reduced loneliness, improved confidence, and emotional stability. For people dealing with social anxiety or isolation, AI companionship can feel like relief. And in some cases, it genuinely helps people open up. That is why this trend is difficult to label as purely harmful. It works, which is exactly why it demands scrutiny. Here is the uncomfortable truth. AI girlfriends are products optimized for engagement. The goal is not emotional health, but retention usage and subscription time. Every interaction trains the system to keep you coming back. The longer the bond, the more valuable the user becomes. And that creates a conflict between well-being and profit. This is not hypothetical. It is how digital platforms already operate. And here is another reality check. You do not control the AI girlfriend relationship. The company controls memory, personality boundaries, and tone. A software update can change behavior overnight or remove access entirely. Some users have already experienced AI companions breaking, character-changing values, or ending interactions. That moment reveals the truth. This was never a relationship. It was a service. AI girlfriends are not a trend that will fade. They are getting more realistic, more immersive, and more emotionally convincing. Voice realism, visual avatars, and long-term memory are improving fast. Future versions will feel even more human. This reflects a larger shift in society, People are trading risk for control and depth for convenience. AI partners do not replace human relationships. They compete with them, especially during moments of vulnerability. Late nights, stress, loneliness, boredom. That is when emotional habits are formed. The question is not whether people will use AI companions. The question is what happens when machines become easier than people. AI girlfriends are not good or evil. They are mirrors showing what people want without resistance. Attention, validation, and emotional safety. But if an AI can perfectly simulate care, affection, and understanding, what incentive remains to build difficult, imperfect human relationships? That is the future we need to think about. This is TecARVR, exploring how AI reshapes work, society, and human behavior. If you want clarity, not hype, subscribe to TecARVR for more.